Hi everyone, in this video, we will be checking out the LOFREE 1% transparent mechanical keyboard. It is a newly released mechanical keyboard from LOFREE that has a very unique and elegant design. It is 99% transparent, which sounds really exciting, right? We will check it out firsthand later to see what it has to offer. First off, the packaging looks great. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one LOFREE 1% mechanical keyboard, packed nicely in a plastic packaging. A pack of user guide is provided to guide users on the product operation. A power charging cable is provided to recharge or connect the keyboard to a computer. All packed neatly in the product packaging. On first impressions, the LOFREE 1% transparent mechanical keyboard looks really sleek and stylish with shimmery metallic trims all around. The keycaps are 99% high transparency, so they look really amazing. At the back of the keyboard, users would find two flip keyboard stand which you can flip out to raise the keyboard when in use. Turn Bluetooth off or on depending on your needs with the toggle switch. Also, the other switch allows you to switch between different modes of use, Mac or Windows. Let's power it on. Boots up really nicely with bright LED lights beneath the keypads. Check out the amazing LED lighting display up close. They look great with the transparency keycaps allowing for maximum light to pass through. It just looks minimalist and elegant as a setup. Now, time for some real typing sounds with this keyboard. The mechanical keyboard provides a subtle feedback to it when typing, and the sound is so satisfying to hear and use. Awesome! The keyboard uses Type-C cable to recharge or connect. Easily connect to it wirelessly via Bluetooth on your computer settings. The connection is stable and fast. It uses Bluetooth 5.1 for a better and stable connection. There are 7 different LED lighting effects which you can alternate around on the keyboard. Each with their own unique lighting pattern and effects. All settable on the keyboard. Overall, I find the LOFREE 1% transparent mechanical keyboard a useful and high-quality mechanical keyboard that features a minimalist and unique design. The quality is excellent.